Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Mazda CX-5 side mirror full guide. Begin by removing the interior door trim carefully to expose the mirror bolts and wiring harness. Use a panel tool to pop clips and a socket to loosen bolts, keeping screws organized. Take photos as you go to record connector positions and screw sizes for easier reassembly and testing. First, determine whether the issue is electrical, mechanical, or glass damage by testing the motor and heater function with the switch. Remove the mirror assembly and inspect the wiring harness for frayed wires, corrosion, or loose pins. Gently try to move the motor gears by hand to detect mechanical binding, and compare operation to the passenger side to spot discrepancies before ordering replacement parts. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you like short reading breaks between repair steps, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp, portable reading during wait times. It's lightweight, has long battery life, and is easy to carry to the garage or waiting area. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After identifying the faulty component, obtain the correct OEM or compatible replacement part, and follow stepwise reassembly. Install the motor or new glass, secure all bolts to specified snug torque, and reconnect the wiring harness. Reattach the interior panel clips and trim pieces, then reconnect the battery and cycle the mirror through all directions and the heater to confirm full repair and smooth operation before final road testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.